this type are there. So first write down normal strain. So due to every stress you are providing, there will be change in configurations, right? Due to that, what the change in configuration, that what we will call stress. Strain we will call, okay? Due to stress, strain will come. Those strain names same as 3 strains will come. So this is the thing, L length, let's say, and you provided a stress. So strain will come and his length will change. And let's say final length became L plus delta L. Okay. So normal strain is what? Delta L by L. We can understand that strain is a dimensionless quantity, right? Length by length, right? So delta L by L is what? Normal strain. Copy. Second type, shear strain. This is the some cuboid you can say or anything, and in which now you provided parallel force. So there is a shifting in the layers. So we will say layer will shift like this here. Okay. Total shift will happen in all the layers. Okay. Visible na? Visible? Very good. This is your capital L. Okay. And this is the shift small l. This angle if we call phi. Okay. Due to a parallel force this side. F plus. Shear strength. Small l is what? Parallel shifting between the layers. Capital L is what? Perpendicular distance between the layers which are parallelly shifted. Five. This line, and you draw it like this. It will come this side, na? No. Yellow one and this one. This is complete box, right? Then this layer shifted this side and this one this side. He shifted the orange one this side, but this layer shifted this side. That's what I'm saying. And he mentioned also 5. Understand? Okay. Capital L is what? Between any two layers where you know the perpendicular distance. Okay. Then what is the relative shift? Like let's say here may be possible the last layer is 0 shift and this one is small l. That I took. If you know that this point of layer shifted from here to here x distance and from this layer shifted y distance. Okay. So the gap is capital L. Okay. So how you will answer then? This you will say the x minus y minus x. So you will say y minus x by capital L is equals to this phi. Okay. So here if you know from here this certain other layer, and this will be the 5. Okay, so answer will come same.